World Mental Health Awareness is celebrated on 10th October every year around the globe. What do you think? How many mental health problems will be there? 1, 2, 3 or 4? No, there are 300 mental health problems listed by WHO. 2020 में कोविड के साथ साथ मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स के वजह से भी कईयों ने अपनी जान गंवाई है। कोविड के वजह से पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन है एंड सब लोग अपने अपने बंद कमरों में 4 दीवारों में कैद है और दिन काट रहे हैं। इन 2019 at least every day 381 suicide cases were registered, but it increased to 170 times in 2020. ये सुसाइड नहीं होता बल्कि एक मर्डर होता है जिसमें हम अपनों के ही खून कर देते हैं, जिसमें कोई गवाह नहीं होता, ना कोई सबूत होता है और इसे सुसाइड बताकर केस क्लोज किया जाता है। हाँ, आप सब यही सोच रहे होंगे कि हम सब मर्डरर कैसे, ये सुसाइड तो उन्होंने किया था, पर क्या हमने कभी उनसे बातचीत करने की कोशिश की थी? क्या हमने उनसे उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को जानने की कोशिश की थी? अगर वो दूर है तो क्या हमने कभी उनको मैसेज या कॉल किया था उनका हालचाल पूछने के लिए? नहीं। आपका 5 मिनट बात करके कुछ नहीं जाता, पर लेकिन उस इंसान की पूरी जिंदगी बच जाती आपके एक फोन कॉल से। People never appreciate someone when he or she achieves something. Instead, we accept more and more from them. हाँ, इसमें कुछ गलत बात तो नहीं, वो और कुछ अच्छा कर पाते। But do we think from other person's perspective what they might be thinking? थोड़ी सी तारीफ भी कर लेते तो this will boost their confidence from inside and automatically this will improve. But nahi, we accept more and more from them. This creates a lot of load on them and pressure which leads to stress. In many a times people end up giving their life in so much stress and pressure. This might be because of their job, studies or other personal reasons. डिप्रेशन आजकल के टीनेजर्स में सबसे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है। वो पूरे दिन बेड पे सो के निकलते हैं या तो फोन में ही लगे रहते हैं। We might be thinking that gaming is an addiction, but we get addicted to something when we want to forget something that we don't want to remember. So we try to make ourselves busy in some or the other way. हम सब उनके मरने के बाद अफसोस करते हैं कि वो कितना अच्छा था, उसने कितने अच्छे काम किए थे, बट क्या वो हमारे बीच था तभी हमने उनसे उनकी तकलीफ़ को जानने की कोशिश की थी? क्या हमने उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को महसूस करने की कोशिश की थी? There is always a person in our friends, family or in our surrounding, they might be suffering from mental illness. If we come across them, we should always try to make a way for them, communicate with them, share our problems or their problems. There is always a solution for every problem. We just need to find it. The Indian mentality that has been imposed by the society needs to be changed now. Here are few points that we should start doing it. Start seeing mental illness as a condition. Start encouraging people for seeking help. Start to see mental health illness as a condition and that requires treatment and not something that people can just snap out. Start taking or spreading awareness about mental health illness. We should go for mental health checkup to mental health specialist. Here are some points that need to be stopped now. Stop discouraging people from seeking treatment and being shy from the illness. Stop judging and labeling people. Stop telling people to be strong. Instead, make them strong. Stop seeing the mental illness as a sign of weakness. And the most important, stop blaming yourself or others for the cause of condition. If you think that talking and spreading awareness about mental health is important, do share this video to everyone so that others help needy one. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for seeing such videos. If you have helped someone to beat their mental illness, do share your experience and views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our video.